Good morning, I'm Cal Meeks, Lead Research Scientist for RW Griffin. I encourage you to stop by our peanut research trial at the Sunbelt Ag Expo during the field day and take a look at our TopFlow trial. We're in the third year of our TopFlow trial here at the Expo, evaluating TopFlow as an alternative to gypsum. So we've got a replicated study here at the Expo looking at the application of TopFlow in the place of gypsum and comparing it to 1,000 pounds of gypsum as well as the untreated check. Our previous research has indicated that the product's been a good alternative to gypsum and actually has put as much calcium in the peanut as gypsum does, while also giving a bump in pH during the season and increasing the yield of the peanuts over the check and the 1,000 pounds of gypsum. So I encourage you if you've got any questions, to go to our website, rwgriffin.com, or contact your local RW Griffin salesperson.